Well, this is my second year coming to the Easa show. I think this convention is so good to expose our products. We're coming from El Paso, Texas, and we're very glad to be here every single year.
I've been involved with Easa for over 5 years, and for me, attending the annual convention has just provided wonderful opportunities for networking, with the Easa personnel, with distributors, the insight gained, the pulse of the market, just that camaraderie that I've found has been fantastic.
You've never been to an Easa before and you're thinking about coming. You just need to bite the bullet and come, because once you'll come every year. It's what we look forward to. It's what we get excited about. So you can't trade this experience for anything. To be able to come to an area like this and just it opens your eyes to the world of possibilities. So absolutely recommend coming if you've never been to before.
This is my first year at Easa. I came from Arizona. Some people invited me last week. We were going to have a meeting, and now the show's beautiful. It's been a great time, and I'll probably be back every year no matter where you have it.
Yes, this is my first time at Easa, and I've enjoyed it very much so. So I've been invited once before. I guess I've been in the business now about 12 years, and I've been invited maybe 2 or 3 times and wasn't really sure what to expect, but now that I have come for the first time, I see that I've been missing out all along. So I'm kind of looking forward to the next years or the years to come to see what the Easa convention has to offer.
Well, I've been coming since 2010, and Cole comes mainly to see the vendors, see what opportunities, what new technologies are out there, and also to attend the educational classes. We brought our purchasing guys, operation guys, and we attend the classes up to Monday and Tuesday. And then, we get a lot of benefit out of that. We go back and discuss it at the plant.
So Easa's been just an outstanding training ground for me. I get tons of training. I get to bring it back to our leadership team. I get to bring it back to our technicians. I bring it back to our sales folks. And trying to get as many of our sales folks to come here as well. So training's number 1. Number 2, networking. We get a chance to meet with a lot of vendors, get a chance to walk the show, meet a lot of our competitors, and engage in good, fun conversation.
The technical support that we receive from Easa is so invaluable, because the stuff that they teach in schools today is a lot of the theory and the principles of the electrical power are there, but the focus isn't as heavily on the power side or the motor side, although I'm sure there in some places it's not widespread. And so being able to go to Easa that has not only engineers that are professional engineers that understand the technical theory and everything behind it, but they have real-world experience in our industry is invaluable.
So if you've never been to an Easa trade show or convention, some of the things that are really interesting is if you're an active member, there are huge resources available. I mean, we have vendors, manufacturers, suppliers, everybody here, but also the ability to really build relationships with other facilities and other organizations, other companies is invaluable to the growth and betterment of any organization.